Ford launches its bi-directional home charging station at a surprisingly good price.
What do you think the price is?
Yeah, this is your story. I don't know. I am going to say, so does that gives me the charger on the wall there?
That's it.
I'm going to say $800.
Well, it's a little over $1,000.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
I think
pretty
it's
close.
like 1,300
$1,300. That's fine.
US.
It's close
Which is
enough.
good. Yeah,
How much is like a Tesla?
it's affordable.
I have nothing to compare this to.
Think of Tesla 500.
Well, but Tesla
300?
doesn't have reverse charging, so I should
doesn't,
have
no.
taken that into consideration. This is a more okay. Tesla's wall connector is $550. Ford Charge Station Pro is not your average wall charger. First, it's rated at 80 amps, twice the capacity of the average charger, and it enables Ford's intelligent power backup power bi-directional charging capacity.
So what they're trying to say is that it can power your home.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you charge the F-150 Lightning, and then it reverse charges, and then it powers the home.
Bi-directional. I mean, this. So I have to be honest with you, Will. I hang out with, because with the sports and being in the community and such, a lot of people carrying a bunch of gear tend to have trucks. And this particular feature, because I did the video on it, and so a lot of people saw it and started asking me, this particular feature has more people have mentioned to me maybe than any other feature. People love this feature. No more power outages ever. Like and I know
It's such an interesting
Like
feature
for a house
because
specifically. I'm sorry, go on.
how frequently are you going to use it?
it's one of those things where, like, same with a generator, right? It's not having it and using it, it's knowing, like
you have
having
it.
insurance,
Yeah.
right? That, hey, man, in a storm or in a really terrible situation, I'm gonna have a little bit more power to sort my stuff out, whatever.
A bonus.
Now, granted, here we don't have quite the stormy weather that they have in other places either. If you get down into hurricane country, this can be a common occurrence, this power outages, in which case then the value of this thing goes up even more.
Okay, I never thought of it like that.
So I think there's gonna be a lot of these things out there when that lightning goes out. Very exciting.
It's kind of nice knowing that your car is like a battery in that sense too, where you can plug in anything.
It has
you want.
more uses than getting you from A to B.
Oh yeah. More utility. And trucks are always about
More utility.
utility.